Hi traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and Train. Today's video is about Banknifty review dated 30th June 21. This is month end also, June month end day. CPR is an indicator to identify key price points to set up intraday trade. CPR and intraday trade. We will see in today's chart what are all the key price points. First we will see this is the R1 resistance 1. See how beautifully CPR is telling this is the R1. Market could not go above this level. This is the R1 resistance. See how powerful CPR is. It identifies R1. Market could not go beyond this one. See, this is the trend line, gives much information for the traders to take a trade setup. Second price indicator is this is the previous day low. This trend line is previous day low. See how beautifully candles are moving within this range. Opened here, up to here, came down, up to here. Almost end of the day, candles are trading within this range only. This is the range it has trading, and then it has broken S1 at the end of the day. Again market moved down. This is the power of CPR, which identifies the key price points. How important R1, previous day low, and S1 from today's chart we can understand. The today's CPR is the descending CPR. Descending CPR means this is just narrow CPR yesterday, so small line. This is previous day CPR, and this is today's CPR. It is below the previous day CPR. It indicates bearish market. How beautifully this statement has been proved. From here to here there is a fall in the market. It indicates it is a bearish market. CPR opening trick. Opened within CPR. See the first few candles, 3-4 candles opened within the CPR. Within the CPR, when candles opened within the CPR, candles majority of the day candles will be within the CPR. This also gives the indication for a trader to take a proper view in the market direction. CPR is home for candles. CPR attracts the candles. See, majority of the time candles are within the CPR or close to the CPR. Within the CPR or close to the CPR only. In this kind of market, what the view we can take? One is trade setup, non-directional view. If you are a non-directional view, you can take a non-directional view from here to here, up to here. You can take a non-directional view, but there will be a very low profits. If you are a directional bearish view, it has given very good profit. If you take a, since the market indicates it is a bearish market, if you have taken a bearish view, you could have done a good profits. So with small indicators, we can set up our intraday trade. That's why I am telling, keep your trading as simple as possible. CPR range narrow, trading range is wide. See the CPR range, today's CPR range is very narrow. It indicates there is a trading range is wide. See the trading range is very wide. From here to here, this is a wide range. To know all these things, to learn all these things, we are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturdays and Sundays to learn and earn. Thank you.